What's up, guys? Today I would like to talk a little bit about moles. Yeah, moles are funny looking animals that dig in the ground, but I want to talk about the chemistry mole. A mole is like saying a couple or a dozen, but a mole is much bigger. So big that our minds cannot even wrap around the immensity of this number. A mole is approximately 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. What does that mean? That means that a mole is more than a 6 followed by 23 zeros. Yeah. Let's try to put this into perspective. How about you had a mole of hydrogen atoms? That's the smallest atom you can possibly have. You would have enough energy in those atoms to power an average-sized car for 320 years. But let's get bigger. Cells. Cells are thought of as being incredibly small, but really, they're significantly larger than an atom. Let's say we had a mole of red blood cells, human red blood cells. We would have more than the number of red blood cells that already exist on Earth. But let's get bigger. Where would we find a mole of sand? Well, if we had a mole of sand, that would be more grains of sand than there is on Miami Beach. Now, the mass of that sand would be exceeding of 8 quintillion grams. But let's get bigger. Now, what if we had a mole of something a little more relatable? Something we use every day and know about how much it weighs and how much mass it has. What if we had a mole of iPhones? Each one of these has a mass of about 137 grams. If we had a mole of these, it would be more than the mass of the moon. So what if we had a mole of Earth's moons? Earth's moon really isn't that big. I mean, it's smaller than the Earth, which is one of the smallest planets in the solar system. But thinking about that, a mole of Earth's moons would have a greater mass than that of our entire solar system. In fact, its mass would be even greater than that of our galaxy. But let's get bigger. What is the biggest, most immense thing in our solar system? The sun, right? So, how big would a mole of suns be? To put it into perspective, you really can't. I mean, a mole of suns would have a mass so great that it would be right around the mass of the universe. Now, of course, we can't know the mass of the entire universe. We're just going off of the observable universe. We can figure out the density and the volume. So using those, we can figure the mass. Just think about that. A mole of suns is more than everything that you will ever see combined. Alright, I guess that's it. So, okay. I know you want another one, so I'll give you another fact. How about a mole of moles? A mole of moles. How much mass would a mole of moles have? I'd say about 60 septillion. Thanks for watching. That didn't look good. Never mind. What's up, guys? Today I would talk I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm redoing this so I can look at the camera, but I'm not even looking at it. That means that a mole is about 6... What does that mean? The mass of this sand would be approximately 8 quintillion tons. Grams. Tons. Tons? A mole is like saying, I'm not looking at the camera. That means that a mole... What's up, guys? Today, I didn't look at the camera again.